What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to clear the maintenance required message from a 2017 Toyota Camry. Like I said, it's a 17 Camry in the video, but it will be the same on several different years. So there's actually two different ways to do this. I'm going to run through both of them. The first one we're going to take a look at, we'll come over here, and this vehicle has a push button start ignition. So without pressing the brake, we're going to press the power button 2 times. Now what we're going to do is press this odometer stem until it says trip A right here. Once it says trip A, come over here and turn the ignition off. Now what we need to do is hold down the odometer stem. So push it and hold it down and then hit the power button 2 times, again without pressing the brake. And then you can see it resetting on the bottom there. And then once it stops blinking and you see that, it's been reset. The second method we're going to take a look at is going to be done by using the buttons on the steering wheel here and going into the vehicle's settings. So I no longer have the maintenance required message since we reset it in the previous shot, but I'm getting a check charging system warning because the motor's not running. So in any messages you have on there, you'll need to press this button to back out of them. Then we're going to press this button here until we get to this screen, the one that looks like a little gear. Then we're going to press that circle button, which is the enter button. Now we're going to scroll down until we have maintenance reset highlighted. Press that circle button again. And then it's just saying, do you want to reset it? Scroll up till yes is highlighted. Circle button again. And then as you can see there, the maintenance reset is complete. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.